Hi guys, welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina and today we're here at Watson's, which has recently rebranded from the Grub Pub to the Neighborhood Bar. They've also revamped their entire menu, and so we're here to showcase some of their amazing new cocktails curated by bar manager Ashley. So let's go ahead and check it out.
Hi, good evening. My name is Ashley and I'm the bar manager at Watson's. Today we're just talking about our new Watson's cocktail menu that we have launched. Focusing on the cocktails, we have kept it very simple. Talking about a few cocktails, I would like to start with Ginger Drama, which is a basil Smirnoff vodka based cocktail with hints of honey lemon ginger in it, shaken and then served in a martini glass. It's all simple. The color of the cocktail is green and it's a natural color that comes out from the basil leaf itself. The second cocktail that we showcase today is the Muddler. This is again another fresh fruit cocktail which has fresh pineapple, fresh pomegranate, muddled well with Bacardi rum and shaken, and it is double strained into a margarita glass. Coming to the classics, we have showcased the Mai Tai, which is one of the classic cocktails that has been missing out in our menus. So we have brought those drinks back with the same ingredients, no twist, keeping it really classic. Old Fashioned is what we showcase, which is another American-based cocktail, which has brown sugar, orange zest, muddled well, and mixed with whiskey, which is a bourbon whiskey, and stirred for a really long time so that the sugar dissolves well. So these are a few of the cocktails that we have, and we'd like you to really come towards Watson's and try these cocktails.
So, if you're like us and enjoy dabbling a bit in mixology, don't forget to keep these recipes locked down. Also, head over to Watson's and try some of their amazing new signature and classic cocktails. On the classic side of things, we really enjoyed their Mai Tai as well as the Old Fashioned. In their new signature cocktails, we really enjoyed the Polynesian Punch as well as the absolutely delicious Ginger Drama. Thanks to Ashley who showed us how it's done. We're definitely going to keep coming back again to Watson's for more. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry.